Hey everybody, my name is Kyle Dermay and I'm the Hitch and Towing Accessories Program Manager here at U-Haul.
Customers ask, why pay more for the U-Haul Hitch Ball? With our current design, the U-Haul Hitch Ball system will not come off when installed per the instructions. Prior to this design, we had thousands come off or get loose annually. Our products are rated in excess of industry standards, and they are designed for the non-professional to install and feel confident they can tow safely. The U-Haul Hitch Ball is the only hitch ball I would recommend to my friends, family, and customers.
In this video, we are going to install part number 4944 on ball mount 13111.
You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
Start by removing the hitch ball from the package. If you flip the package on the backside and peel the label, you'll see that the instructions are available in 3 languages. Inside the package, you'll find a second set of instructions for reinstallation later. Next, make sure the hitch ball threads are clean and free of rust, dirt, or damage. Apply the enclosed anti-seize lubricant in 2 places, being sure to cover 5 to 6 threads in the area the ball nut will be tightened. Place the ball shank through the platform hole on the ball mount and install the hardened flat washer. Install one of the included smart washer into the recess of the ball nut. The flat side of the washer will remain exposed. The second included smart washer is in the event you need to remove the ball and reinstall the ball nut. Thread the ball nut onto the shank. Ensure that the nylon washer is between the ball nut and the hardened flat washer. Tighten snugly by hand.
Using the custom-designed U-Haul Hitch Ball wrench, we will tighten the ball nut until both sides of the nylon smart washer squeeze out between the hardened steel washer and the ball nut. The nylon pieces should easily fall away with the flick of a finger. Additional tightening may be required until both sides break free. The final step in this installation is the cotter pin.
Insert the cotter pin into the hole and spread the pins away from each other. Note, if the pinhole in the shank does not show completely below the ball nut, the shank is too short for the application. With our patented safety features and utilization of the best materials, the U-Haul Hitch Ball is the customer's best choice. And we have more hitch installing locations than any other competitor. If you'd like to purchase any of the products you've seen here or schedule an installation, please visit us at www.uhaulhitches.com.